Today we are looking at a Ehrsam Triumph corn sheller. This unit has a 12-inch shelling chamber. You can still see corn cobs in the machine. The unit does not show a lot of wear. As you can see, that finger is still quite square. We're going to move down here to the model number tag and pause the video here for pertinent data. This unit is in good overall condition. It is an older unit, but it is, as I said, in good overall condition. It is powered by a 3-phase, 10 horsepower, 460, 230 volt electric motor. This unit could easily be switched out to single phase at the expense of the buyer. Looking here, we have the shelling chamber, still has paint on the outer edge of the screen. Don't see any issues with the screen. The whole ear corn is dropped into this spout. It is then hurled around by the fingers at high speed through the shelling chamber and is discharged out the bottom of the machine. Then the cobs continue on down and are blown out by the material handling fan. As I said, this unit looks to be in good overall condition. I don't see any issues with the unit. The unit is also equipped with this stand that approximately elevates it 36 inches in the air. This is better for the corn that's dropping out. You can get that picked up by bucket elevator or belt conveyor. As you can see, we have more aspiration here in the aspiration column. The unit is in good overall condition. As I said, this unit is readily available through us here at Commodity Traders International. For other corn sheller equipment, please reach out to us. We have the world's largest selection of new and used equipment. Thank you so much for watching.